Hello students, this video let us learn exercise 2.4. This exercise is based on the theorem area of similar triangles. Okay, so first problem, let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. So this is the triangle. Okay, these two are similar. It is already given in the question and their area they have given. So this small triangle will be 64 centimeter square and this big triangle it will be 121 centimeter square. So in this one side of triangle alone it's given 15.4 centimeter, but one more triangle is there. In that BC is unknown, that we should find out with the help of the theorem which we learnt in the last video. Okay, so given two triangles are similar, then area of the two triangles, then EF also we know 15.4 centimeter. To find BC. Okay, then solution. So since these two triangles are similar, okay, these two triangles are similar, we can apply the area of similar triangles for okay. So this is the statement of the theorem. Okay, this is the statement of the theorem. First you should write, then only we should write what we are doing. Okay, so we know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to squares of ratio of its corresponding sides. Okay, the proof you learnt in the previous video. So this is how you can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of DEF. This is the ratio. Okay, equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So BC and EF are corresponding sides. You are going to take square of that. That is going to be equal to this ratio. Okay, so we know EF. So substitute all those values. Area of ABC we know is area of DEF we know, and EF also we know. So substitute all those values. So you will get 64 by 121 equal to BC by 15.4 the whole square. How to remove the square? Square is there. So we have to remove the square, then only we can simplify. So we can see that 64 it's a perfect square and 121 also perfect square. 64, how it came? 8 into 8 is 64. Then 121 it is 11 square. Okay. So like that you can do. Here this next step I have removed the bracket. Okay, this side bracket I have removed and I made it BC square by 15.4 square. Okay, so BC it is taken to the one side of the equal to. So 15.4 is multiplied to the LHS. Okay, then next step only we are doing the perfect square. Okay, so 8 into 8 is 64, 11 into 11 is 121. Okay, so now we can write it as 8 square and 11 square. Okay, now we can remove the square now. So both the square side square whole square we wrote. Okay, this rule identity we learnt, no? So when it is power same in all, we can take out the power as whole power. Okay, since multiplication is there, you can take the whole power 2. Okay, so taking square root on both sides. I didn't write here, but that's the meaning. Taking square root on both sides, you can remove the squares. So square is removed now. So now we can simplify. So 15.4 divided by 11. Okay, so if you divide by this 11, you can get 1.4. Okay, 1.4 will be coming. So 8 into 1.4, that is equal to 11.2. So BC is 11.2 centimeter. Okay, I forgot a centimeter here. You should write BC equal to 11.2 centimeter because 20 meters only it is given in question. You should write that. The next question, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. So where is AB? AB is here, DC is here. So these two lines are parallel. Okay. intersect each other at point O. So these two diagonals are intersecting at O. If AB is equal to 2CD, so length of AB is equal to 2 times of CD. Okay, find the ratio of area of triangle AOB and COD. That means these two triangles AOB, this triangle, and COD, this triangle. So these two ratio of the area of the triangles we have to find out. Okay, we have to find out the ratio. So let's write the given data. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD and AB equal to 2CD. In triangle ABO and COD. Okay, AOB and COD. Now, in these two triangles, AOB, okay, angle AOB and COD, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so these two angles are equal. Then OAB, angle OAB, okay, OAB, so this angle, okay, and this angle OCD, these two angles are equal. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. CD and AB are parallel lines, and this is a transversal passing through it. So these are alternate angles, that is equal. Okay. Then if two triangles, two angles are equal, means we can write these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. Okay. Then so if two triangles are similar, means their area of the ratio of the areas are equal to the square of the ratio of its corresponding sides. By the theorem we know. So we can write area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD equal to AB square plus CD square. Okay, AB square plus CD square. We want ratio of these two. Is it not? In the question what they asked? They asked for the ratio of these two triangle areas. So either we have to change AB to CD or CD to AB. Then only we can get a number. To remove these variables, we have to cancel it. So we have to replace one with other. That's why we are replacing AB by CD, 2CD. Okay, given AB equal to 2CD. It's already given. So instead of AB, we are going to write 2CD. Okay, and one more square is there. So don't forget that you have to write the square also. So now first do the square. So 2 square is 4. That's why you are getting 4 here. We are going to remove the bracket. Okay, and do the square. First do that. So 2 will become 4 here. So CD square is there. So numerator also CD square, denominator also CD square. So cancel it. So CD square and CD square will get cancelled. So you will be left with 4 by 1 here. Okay, so that's why you are getting ratio as 4 by 1. So this triangle is 4 part, means this is 1 part. That's a ratio. So ratio of area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD equal to 4:1. This is the answer. Next problem, in figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area of ABC divided by area of DBC equal to AO by DO. This is a question. Okay. So you have to write the given data and this triangle ABC. So ABC means A, B, C. This triangle. Okay. This triangle is to area of this triangle DCB. This triangle you have to show by this ratio. AO is to DO. This ratio we have to show. Okay, this line we have to show. Okay, so how to bring that? So ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. So BC is the same common side for them, BC. Okay, and AD intersects BC at O. To prove, then let us draw two perpendicular AP and DM on line BC. So to this BC, we are going to draw two perpendicular line. Okay, from the opposite vertex. We know that area of triangle equal to half into base into height or altitude. So in triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC, area equal to half into base is BC into AE. AE, that is the altitude. Just now we drawn on perpendicular, that one. Okay. Similarly, in triangle DBC, in that also half into base is BC and height is DF. So taking ratio means divided by, okay, area of ABC divided by area of DBC equal to what we found out, that you should write. Okay, these two half into that one, that you should write. So now what will happen? Half will get cancelled. BC will get cancelled. So we will be left with AE by DF. Okay. So AE by DF we got now. So we have to, this is the, corresponding side that we are getting. But in question what they are asking for? They are asking for this one. AO and OD. So this one they are asking in the question. So how to replace this with these two sides? Let's see. We have to take triangle AOE and DOF. In this picture you can see the small triangle AOE. Okay, the small triangle AOE. This one and this one DOF. Okay, so this small triangle we have to take. Okay, in that angle, these two angles are 90 degree. That is AEO and DFO. These two are 90 degree because we only constructed perpendicular, no? So it is 90 degree. Then these two angles, so this one and this one are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So AOE and DOF are vertically opposite angles. So two angles are equal. So AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So if they are similar, okay, if they are similar, this is one of the side, no? So AE by DF, okay, that is one of the side and this is one of the side, DF. Okay, so this is one of the corresponding side, AO and AO by DO. So these two are proportional. Okay, so AE by DF equal to AO by DO. So now these two are equal. So in the first equation we got AE by DF only, no? So that we can replace with AO by DO, putting 2 in 1. Okay, so putting 2 in 1, you will get area of triangle ABC equal divided by area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. Okay, hence prove. This is what they asked in the question. That's we have proved. Okay, so with this I'll end this video. I'll continue in my next video. Thank you, children.